pool thing straight across from us. The pool bar. There's a mini. Just look how beautiful this place is in the morning. Amazing to wake up to this on Christmas morning. Oh, wonder if you want to come and spend Christmas with us. Yeah. I'll show you what we get up to today. How about that? That would be good, I think. Yeah. So come first port of call. We've had our shower. We've had a change. And now we're going down to breakfast. Yeah. This is breakfast, Sunday morning. It's Sunday, yes? Yes, Sunday morning, Christmas morning. Yeah, but it's on a local TV. That's any job. No, okay, yeah. Well, breakfast was good. Good. And then we had fruits and orange and pineapple juice together. It tasted really nice. So now, what we're going to be doing, we're going to walk along the beachfront for a bit. Then we're going to go to our rooms, get changed, and then we're going to relax by the pool, in the pool, and then by the pool. So see you in a bit. So yeah, we're going to walk out onto the beach. Just walk by the side, kick the sand, enjoy God's fresh air, and just soak up the poinsettias. Yeah, grounds pretty, and yeah, they do have poinsettias just dotted all around. Yeah, beautiful. Jo is feeling mega adventurous and she's going to try swinging, and I hope the people them branch don't pop down. Yeah, I would stop while I'm ahead, Jo. Stop, Jo. To be in a nice cool room. Yeah. Just what? So, Christmas in a pool. Nice and airy. Sun hot but water cool and nice. Lunchtime gone and we don't even care because there'll be dinner. Gone back because it's getting cold. You know, when you come out of the water, you have to stay in it to keep warm. So we spent a lovely time down by the pool and the beach, and then we're wet and happy. It's way past lunchtime, but who's counting, eh? Who's counting? Christmas dinner. I have a feeling they're going to have roast beef, roast chicken, ham, what else? Bacon, gammon. Maybe oxtail, maybe. If they have oxtail, I'm having some. And then I might not go down for Christmas dinner because this is lunch. I'm belly still full from. I bet you they'll serve this as Christmas dinner. Oh, maybe. So I'm going to put on my pretty frock. Outfit of choice for Christmas Day lunch, just some pretty little frocks. I like mine. I'm in blue, I'm in pink mostly. No, it's peach, it's reddish, peach is reddish, but I like it too. What do you think, guys? I feel pretty. Long time I don't wear a nice little frock. So that was very good. Lunch was good. Now we're going to do not really boring stuff, well, a little boring first. We're going to check emails, then we're going to edit videos, and then we have some videos that we need to catch up on from some of you guys as well as others. We have some Korean favorites as well as our usual Jamaican friends. So we're going to catch up on videos, and then we're going to see you later with whatever we get up to. See ya. Guys, I'm here editing my video and I hear some excitement outside, drums and all, so I'm going to see what's happening down there. What excitement in paradise seeing people let no one tell her that Jamaica no airy. Jamaica airy bad. Hey, 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 happy, we are happy, buzzing. That excitement outside, yeah, it was lovely. But now we're going out to the one of the shacks, one of the shack places, bar station, outdoor, because they have drinks aplenty, running free all day long. But we also want some ice for our ice box to put in our room, so that if we want something cool and nice and refreshing in our room, we don't have to scrounge around. We have ice in our ice box. Yeah. So that's the pre. And I want to see the sunset. Oh yeah, we're gonna try and see the sunset, and we'll see whether or not we go down to dinner. But I highly doubt it. My belly is full still. It is minutes to 5, I think, or 6. Or is it? I don't know. But it's late because sun soon set, right? And sunset round about 6 in Jamaica, and it's soon set now. So that's the pre. Then we'll see if we go down to dinner, but I doubt it, but we'll see. So that shed there, that's the one we're going to, but they have some further down. All over the compound there are shacks that have drinks bar, they call them. But the sun's about to set and it's gonna be beautiful, I can tell. That there is where the sun's about to set, right in there. I don't know if I can wait that long. It would be nice, you know, to just set up the camera and then speed it up to show the sun going down and down and down beyond the horizon. Anyway, that's just how we spent Christmas Day in paradise. Thank you so much for being with us on today's vlog. We hope that you enjoyed it, and we hope that for you Christmas was a special event as well. Yeah, I hope that you got to meet with your friends or family, even virtually as we had to. Yeah, but we hope that you spend quality time with those people that you truly love. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.